At this time tomorrow night, I'm expecting heavy snow around town. The winter storm warning goes into effect at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And right now, the heaviest snow looks to be from Waterloo to Milwaukee, right here to Chicago. South of that is a winter storm watch for Newton and Jasper County, and also LaPorte, where lesser amounts of snow will fall because of a mix. This all begins after about 3 o'clock in the afternoon with a light mix to start. But once the sun goes down, then we will see those snow rates picked up to an inch per hour, and we could end up with 4 to 9 inches of snow. Here's our storm now moving through the southwestern U.S. So it pulls out of the Four Corners region, and it will connect with moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that will help to enhance the storm and pull in a lot of moisture. At noon we're dry, but by 3 o'clock we see a light mix because of the temperature profiles. But once the sun sets in the 5 o'clock hour, all snow and going through the night. So sunset to midnight looks to be the most impressive accumulation, and on Sunday we'll have leftover snow showers wrapped around this. So get ready for a snowy weekend. I think we will start the day tomorrow dry, just cloudy and breezy. But again, after about 3 o'clock, the southwest suburbs will start to see some of that activity moving into the picture. Right now, look at how the temperatures are hovering close to 30 degrees. It's not as cold tonight as the last few nights, and in the morning we'll probably hold in the upper 20s. Then throughout the day, let's time this out. As we move through the 3 o'clock hour, there's the mix because of the 34-degree temperature. So some of that could be falling as freezing rain first, but by 5 o'clock, the sun goes down. Then 8 o'clock, heavy snow bands moving through right through the midnight hour, and into Sunday morning, it breaks up to just scattered snow shower activity throughout the day. Models are still looking at a 9-inch total, the European says, and they're getting into better agreement because the American Model 2 has been ticking up with each run, but it's slightly less than the European model, probably going 6 to 7 inches. So plan on a good half a foot of snow. But again, those higher totals, 9, maybe 10-inch totals, are likely just because of those heavy snowfall rates Saturday night. So at this time tomorrow night, Brad, we are going to be watching these snow bands move through the Chicago area.
All right, thanks, MK.